Do not adjust your video settings. Everything is dark on purpose. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 216. That's right, 216. Here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you are looking for someone to hire short-term or long-term, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. Now, today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla. Okay, so why is everything so dark here? Well, because I am working at night here in my studio, and I have my LED lights turned to orange and down very dim because I just like the light when I'm working at night. Which means that when I am working on my projects, I like to have dark mode set on whatever I'm working on. And so in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool free plugin that will add dark mode to your Joomla 4 site in the back end or the front end if you're using the default Cassiopeia template. And thanks to Mark DeChevre, who told me about this when we were talking earlier tonight. So let's turn before we turn our attention over to the screen, here is exactly why we want dark mode when we're working at night. Watch what happens. Yeah, that's a little too bright for working. Now let's turn our attention to the screen and we will see what I'm talking about today. All right, so here we are in the back end of a Joomla 4 site. We're in the Atom, using the Atom administrator template. And what we're going to do is install a plugin. It's a free plugin from Akeeba, from Nicholas over at Akeeba, and we're going to see how it works right now. So this link, all links will all be in the video description below, but we're going to go to his GitHub page, and we're going to go for Dark Magic for Joomla 4 version 2. If you scroll down, you'll find version 1 for Joomla 3.9, and you can check that out, but we're going to do Joomla 4. Now, version 2.01, here we go, plugin system dark magic. Here's the file right here. We're going to click on that, and we will save it. See, I've got my computer running in dark mode as well. We're going to save it to this folder. It's already there from me practicing, so we will go yes. And now we have this down here in Chrome. Now, let's go to our Joomla 4 admin area. We're going to go to System, and we're going to go to extensions, install extensions, and we're just going to upload this package. So I'm using Brave browser, and which is a Chrome browser. I'm going to drag that there, and it has been installed. And now that it is installed, we're going to go to System, Manage, and Plugins. In the ID column up here on the right, we're going to sort until the highest ID is at the top. That shows the most recent one installed, and here we have System Dark Magic. Now, it's not published yet or enabled. We will do that in a second. Let's go in and check out these settings. All right, so here's the back-end settings here. We have the option to apply dark theme always, only to going with the setting of the browser. So if someone is, if your browser is set to use dark mode, it will show up in dark mode in the back end of the site, or follow the sun. Now, follow the sun's cool because you can check out, you can set it so that dark mode or light mode shows depending on the time of day or what's happening with the sun. And you can read about this here. You'll see right now latitude and longitude is for Nicholas's home area in the world in Greece, and so you would have to put in your location, latitude and longitude. And if you're going to follow the sun, down here you'd say, well, I want dark mode to be applied until 60 minutes after sunrise, and I want dark mode to be applied 60 minutes before sunrise. But you have other options here. You can play around with those and read up on those. Sunrise, civil twilight, nautical twilight, astronomical twilight. I'm going to set this to always. All right, now let's look at this setting, the back end. Do we want to enable dark mode in the back end? And here we can say yes or no. And we will click here for, oh, it's actually set to yes by default. We just haven't saved it up here. Great. And here you can set the background color, main text color, inverse text color, link, and special color. And the same thing for the front end. You want dark mode to be showing on the front end of your template. And so you can say yes. So really all we have to do right here is go back to this tab here. We'll go to status and enabled. We'll save this. And when this refreshes, there you go. It's in dark mode. And you'll notice it's in this little box down here in the corner. My face does not have that glare on it. And if we go to the home page and refresh, we've got a nice dark mode there. And of course, remember in the settings for the plugin, you can go here and turn that on or off. Change the colors for the back end, and if you're going to change colors in the front end, you're going to do that with custom CSS. So there you have it. Dark mode for the back end of your Joomla 4 site, or the front end if you're using Cassiopeia, the default template that comes with Joomla 4. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications of new things happening here in the live stream. Give the video a like to help others find it. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.